In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Calendly account step by step, and I'll also mention the important warning you need to know before you finish. Deleting your Calendly account permanently removes your account and associated data, and this cannot be undone, so make sure you really want to continue before you start. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account using your browser. Once you're signed in, look for your profile icon or profile area. This is usually found in the top corner of the page. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From the menu, select all settings. This will take you into your full account settings page where you can manage your profile, preferences, and account options. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. The delete option is usually placed near the bottom, so take your time and look carefully. When you find it, click delete account. Calendly will then ask you to confirm that you want to continue. Click continue to move forward. At this point, Calendly may send a verification code to your email address, so open your inbox and check for that code. Enter the verification code exactly as it appears in the email. Once the code is accepted, you'll be asked to choose a reason for deleting your account. Select the reason that best fits your situation. After that, Calendly will show the final confirmation step. Now click delete account one last time. This is the final action, and once you confirm it, your account will be deleted. Again, remember that this is permanent, so you won't be able to recover the account or the associated data after deletion. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a Calendly account in just a few simple steps. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.